Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XDC from Coinbase Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check details to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone and a verified account on Bitrue. If you don't, pause here and set them up. It's quick and essential for this transfer. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your XDC balance. XDC is a popular token, so it should be easy to find under your assets list. Next, head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Go to your wallet section and find the deposit option for XDC. This will give you a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's like a digital key to your funds. Now, back in Coinbase Wallet, select your XDC asset and choose the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste in the one from Bitrue. Then, input the amount of XDC you want to send. Don't forget to check for any network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Make sure the address is correct and the amount is right. This step prevents costly mistakes. Once you're confident, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or notification. Finally, keep an eye on your Bitrue account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XDC to appear, depending on network speed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your XDC. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.